Hi everyone, natural light is beautiful, but uncontrolled natural light is going to ruin your photos. It's going to ruin your portrait. It's going to cause harsh shadows, unflattered contrast, and also blown highlights. In this video, I'm going to show you how to control natural light and modify natural light with simple tools and techniques. And we will see that no studio lighting or no complicated and expensive equipment is needed to produce a beautiful portrait. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. Modifying natural light doesn't mean that you change it. You just simply shaping it by controlling mood, contrast, and softness. And the good thing about this is that you can do this just by using simple tools. Simple way is to direct the light. And you can do it with a very basic reflector. To use these reflectors, you have to hold it against the light source, on the opposite side of the light source, to reflect the light onto your subject. You can use the white side to make it soft. You can see the soft light that you get just by the reflector, and you can also control the direction of the light. And you can use this gold side to make it warm just by holding it against the sun. You can see that you get a soft, warm light. And another way to control natural light is to soften it. So you can use this transparent diffuser, hold it between the light source and your subject to soften the light. It's so simple and so practical. And these reflectors don't cost that much. Maybe by $20–25 you can get a set of them. And if you want to block the light, if you want to make a dramatic portrait, you can use this black side. I'm going to switch the sides over here from white and gold to black and silver. And if you want to make your portrait a little bit contrasty with a punch, you can use the silver side and holding it against the light source on the opposite side of the light source. And you can use the black side just to block the light. So you can use the black side, flagging the light. So the one part of your portrait, it's gonna receive less light, and it makes it so dramatic. Another technique to control natural light is negative fill. It means if you are taking a photo close to a window and using the window as your natural light, you can hold the black side, the dark side, against the window, so the other side of your portrait is gonna receive less light. But It's exactly opposite of the white and silver one. So you can see the difference on my face. Another way to shot a beautiful portrait is getting your subject close to a window. So closer to the window, softer light you get. And if you move your subject away from the window, you get a harsher shadows and more contrasty shadows. Natural light is so powerful when you know how to control it by using reflectors, diffusers, negative fill, and using the light coming through a window. You can create wonderful portraits, wonderful photos without expensive gears. If you found this useful, just let me know and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I post a new video every week on Monday or Tuesday. By subscribing, you won't miss any of the upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you liked it. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. I'd be more than happy to answer them. And as always, take good care of yourself, keep shooting. I'll see you soon. Cheers.